Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a custom Volkswagen Beetle, and this is from their Ultra Hot series by Hotwheels. So I bought it for MRP, which is $299. In my personal opinion, apart from a couple of cars, the rest are like, you know, it is exactly the main lines, but just a shiny paint job. That's it. Okay, let's unbox this one and see how this one looks. So I'm pretty sure this one is also not full metal, but let's see. Okay, so here is the casting and initial impressions. So like all the others, this one also has the shitty paint job, which is a little bit shiny. Same kind of livery. It has headlight detail and it has exhaust detail here. So again, the chassis is just plastic, it is not metal. Same kind, same rims, nothing special. Volkswagen logo here, which is good. It is, the logo placement is really nice. Okay, I can see only a couple of differences between the mainline and this one. So every casting which I opened so far, the headlights and taillights are painted, and it has a shiny paint job. That's it, nothing much. So apart from those two cars, the Dodge and there is one more. What is that? Datsun Bluebird. So these two are fully made of metals, but I don't know about the Porsche, and there was one more which I left out. The I think Ford Thunderbird Pro stock, if I'm not wrong. I think those two are fully metal. So I didn't buy it because I really don't want to. Okay, let's do a roll test now. Okay, it rolls smooth, but it doesn't roll really fast. The front wheel wobbles a lot compared to the rear wheels. Yeah, it wobbles a lot. It is a casting wise, it's good. Only thing is, they could have just went with metal chassis to make it better on the track. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.